This is the structure. Now I'm talking about this one. Height is 80 pixels. Width is 990. For the TD, I'm not going to mention any width. The reason is automatically it comes 100%. Now, in this place, the table to be inserted with width of 990. So, the parent table is the 990. No need to mention as 990. You can make it as 100%. Automatically, the table goes to the until end. Until in the sense, until parent width, until the parent width. Okay, just you can consider this. So table is there. And again, what I need, what the structure I need, one logo is needed here. Space, of course, maintain. Rest of the things I want to make a minimum 6 or 7 menus. Total 990 to be divided. Come into the calculator, 990. So one column width I'm going to maintain 115 into 6, 690. For the logo, minus 200. Sorry, 115 into 6 plus 200. So the space will be the 100. Total width is 990, right? Okay. So for the logo is one column. This is one column. This is one column. And the rest of the things will be the multiple columns. 6 plus 1 plus 1. 8 columns are there. 8 columns are there. Okay. What I said? If you want, you can write nested table for header section. Nested table for header section. So I'm not going to write. From now onwards, I will just keep copy paste. Copy everything. Control C, Control V. Now, align is not needed because it's occupying to end. So align is not needed. Border is okay. Cell padding okay. Width will be the 100%. 100%. In this, only one row, right? TR. How many TDs you want? 6 plus 1 plus 1. 6 for the menus, 1 for the logo, 1 for the space. Total 8. TD into 8. For the first one, I'm giving the height. Height equal to 80. For the second one, width I'm going to give 200. Width equal to 200 for the logo. And this is 100. Width equal to 100. Rest of the things will be the equal, right? 115, 115, 115. How many? 6. I'm going to place cursor by holding the Alt space bar. Width equal to 115. In this cases, I'm going to write home, about us, products, events, blog, FAQ, and contact. When the CSS is not there, we use it to do the websites with this process only. Okay. And I'm going to keep the text align center. Align equal to. If you are going to discuss all these things, what are the elements can be modified? beautified with a CSS. Just easily we can understand. Now see this. This is the logo. In the logo area, can we add one image? I'm going to the Figma here. $200 pixels logo I need. Width is the 200 pixels, height is the 80 pixels. Where is the rectangle? Rectangle is 200, height is 80. This much. I will make a mask. Logo. What logo you are looking for? Images. Food, right? Anything. Copy image. Coming here. Control V. First, take it to the top. Okay. Again, send it back. Select both and mask. And export it. Export PNG. Images. New. Images. What is this? This is the logo. And come back here. In this area, exactly it is there with the sizes, right? What you need to do, IMG SRC equal to, it is beside, it is absolute path, not the absolute, relative path to be maintained. Images, logo.png. Now we can check it out. Okay, this is not aligned or what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
అదొకటి స్పేస్ ఉండాలన్నారు కదా సార్ హోమ్ ప్లేస్ లో.
Yes. I think where it is missed. Okay. నేను ఎక్స్ట్రా పెట్టాను అన్నమాట నేను. Control X, Control V, and I'm not to delete చేస్తా బ్లాగ్. ఉండనివ్వండి, ఇష్యూ ఇదే కాదు కదా. అబౌట్ అది పెద్ద ఇష్యూ కాదు. Reveal in the file explorer. And this is the thing. Now what I will do is, this border I am going to remove. Go here. Border to be 0. Border to be 0. And this is final. Header is finished. Okay. Now I will come to this area. What is the height of this? 300 or 400? 300. How many columns to be added here? Full length banner. One will be enough, right? If one will be enough, no need to add the table also. If the one will be enough, no need to add the table. Directly in that area, I can add the image. See this. What is the size of this? Width is 990. Width is 990. Okay. Where is the width here? 990. And height is 300. 300. Okay. This I'm going to export as a PNG. Export. Banner. Coming here, because in the single cases, no need to add the table. IMG SRs equal to images banner. Okay. Next, this space. Just products. Products. I'm going to make all the sample text only. Products. So here also only the one. So no need to add the table here. H1, sorry, H2. Okay. Products. And align to be center. Align equal to center. And coming down, paragraph. Lowerm, for example, 8 words will be enough. This is also I want to make align equal to center. Now see this. What we need here. I need space will be here if you want. Or else just you can remove this. 2. Okay. So in this way, you need to present the area here.